Hello guys, welcome to my Advantage channel. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Google Play app couldn't check balance, something went wrong at the bank error, and the error code you get on the screen is U13. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue when you are checking your bank balance on your Google Pay and you are seeing the error code couldn't check the balance, something went wrong, and the error code you can see U13, then I'll show you how to fix this issue. Guys, first of all, you need to restart your mobile and check whether your problem is fixed or not. After restarting your mobile, still your problem is not fixed, then you need to go to the settings. Just click on this search, or you can find apps. Click on the apps, click on see all apps, then search for Google Pay, or you can type GPay. You can see here GPay. Just click on this. Once click on the fourth stop, click on OK. Once tap on the storage and cache, you need to tap on clear cache. If you tap on clear storage, all your login or all your bank details will be cleared from your Google Pay. So my recommend is to don't delete your app data. Just you need to tap on clear cache. After doing this, then go back and check whether your problem is fixed or not. Still you are facing the issue, then open the Play Store, then type here Google Play. If it is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating, check whether your problem is fixed or not. Still you are facing the issue, then you need to open GPay. After opening your Google Pay, in top right side you can see your profile icon. You just need to tap on that, scroll down. In last second option you can see get help. Just tap on this get help. You can see are you having issues. You need to click on that option. Here you need to select your problem, or your problem is not listed, you need to select other issues. Like this, you need to contact your Google Pay customer care and you can fix your issues. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Google Pay app couldn't check your balance, something went wrong, and the error code is U13. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.